Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Family Dollar haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Family Dollar trying to see what they had. Some of the stuff is okay. If you still got those gain coupons, it's going to be good for that. So let's go ahead and get to my video. All right. So on the first thing I got was the Bounty Essentials. This is $1. This is paper towel. It is $1. There is a 25 cents off digital coupon that is attaching. Okay. So only making it 75 cents, which that's good. The next thing, there is a buy one, get one free digital coupon for either tone or dial. So I always went with tone because tone was a little bit cheaper. I think the dial was $4, I believe, or maybe a little bit higher. But the tone was $3.15. So these are look like some new kind of scents. It's Miami Glow Up. Let's see. It's coconut rum and sparkling. What's it? Guava. See, is it that? And it is a 16 ounce. The next thing is the tone, and this is Havana Nights Cuban Blue Rose. I haven't smelled them, y'all, because I was trying to get in and out of the store. So let me smell it so I can see what it smells like. Hold on. This smells all right. It's like a light scent for that one. And let me see what this one smells like. That one, it smells okay. I like coconut, but I think it says coconut rum, and it smells to me like a little rum. But you gotta smell it yourself. Everybody's smells are different. Then the next thing is, these, like I said, the tone was buy one, get one free. So they was $3.15. Then the next thing was the Tide Pods. The Tide Pods, they are $4.95. I believe the liquid also is $4.95. There is a $2 off digital coupon, which I believe it is separate from the pods that is attaching also. I was looking for the Lysol because I think it's those for the toilet bowl. I was looking for that, but they didn't have any because it was like you can get two of them in, one transaction, or you can get it one time and then come back and get the other one. But they didn't have those. And then also I was looking at for the Febreze spray. They didn't have none of that either. And that's on sale. I think it's on sale. Or it might be $4 and there's a digital coupon attaching. But then the last thing is the Scott's Comfort Plus 6-row. I got the 6-row. You could get the $5 one with the $1. But this one, there is a digital coupon. There is $2 off of 2. And is attaching to both of these 6 big rows of Scott Comfort Plus. So I went ahead and I purchased, these are $3 each, and $2 came off because you had to purchase 2, okay? So after after she rung up everything and all my digitals came off, my subtotal was $10.85. Yes, y'all. $10.85. I mean, you can get stuff. I mean, it's okay, but I could have done a little better, but it is what it is, I had used my gain coupons last week, so that's why I didn't have none for this week, and I didn't get no new ones. So let me show you my receipt. There's the Tide Pods, and they call Family Dollar coupon Smart Coupon. There's the $2 came off. There's the Bounty, the 25 cents. There's both the Tone body wash. The $3.15 came off because, you know, it's buy one, get one free. There's both of the Scots, the $3 each, and there's the $2 off of two. My subtotal was $10.85. You know, everybody's taxes is different. And my total savings was $7.40. Yes. So, y'all, after everything, just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.